Hello, friends. Wish you all a very happy new year 2023. I'm very pleased to welcome you all to this channel on behalf of AIMLastrology.in, a channel dedicated to my writings on Indian astrology through the lens of data science. I have been writing about Indian astrology and its statistical dimensions since 2019. If you visit https aimlastrology.in, you will find more about why I started this blog, and you will also learn more about the basic constructs of Indian astrology from a statistical perspective. I'm writing both in Tamil as well as English languages. Most of my articles are first written in Tamil language, and then they are translated to the English language. Under menu, if you click on articles, you will find about articles I have written in English on Indian astrology. So there are about 21 articles available in the English section. There are more articles written in Tamil, mainly covering Indian astrology from a statistical perspective. So there are about 19 articles written in the Tamil language. I am hardly finding time to do the translations. Hopefully, at some point of time, those articles will also be translated into English language. Outside my work, I spend most of my time on reading and researching more about Indian astrology and its constructs related to statistics and how those constructs have been elegantly used by our forefathers in Indian astrological system. One can approach Indian astrology more purely from a statistical perspective as well. And they will find that the system is elegantly constructed without violating any of the modern day statistical principles. Outside my writings, I also offer astrological consultation services as a service to the society, and all the income proceeds from my consultation goes to different charity. You can visit the services pages under the menu. If you are interested to avail my services, you can fill up the form in the services page, and you will be informed about the next steps. We offer birth horoscope and other horoscope reports in 6 different Indian languages, including Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, Telugu, English, and Kannada. As a guest speaker, I have also appeared on few group meetings, and those recordings and the links are available under the menu under videos.